Summer's here and it is extremely hot, so it's going to damage your machine, and you don't want to spend a lot of money buying another one. So this thing, it's seen its best days. The zipper won't work. The entire thing is falling apart. We're going to replace one. Has holes everywhere already, so we're going to replace it and get a new one. Let's go ahead and put it on, and we want to see if this one works. All right, and this is my pro version of the Pit Boss. All right, find the opening, and the entrance should be in the front too. Zipper. There you go. Oh, this one fits a lot better. All right, let's review a couple things. This one is a lot better. The other one was real tight. I had to actually, that's why I ripped the zipper, because it was so tight. This one's a little loose. I like it. This is a plus that I only have on the other one, the Velcro to tie into the legs, all right? Which I'm gonna do that right now, but let's see how well rounded it fits. Perfect, look at that. So, because they're looking for something for your Pit Boss, check it out.